Hi, Prof. Ted. Can you tell me a little bit about the CFA program benefits?
That's a great question, Ted AR. Well, the CFA Institute provides a professor kit with 6 benefits to the CFA program. So I just made a few notes. Number one, the gold standard. Yes, I agree 100%. It's equivalent to a master's degree. You can self-study while you're working. It's relatively affordable and accessible. In fact, I recommend the CFA over MBA when students ask me their opinion. Number two, global passport and prestigious network. Yes, 100% from my point of view, this is the big benefit for my personal life of the CFA program. I started in Canada. I finished in Taiwan in 2003. I attended CFA Society events in Taiwan, very fun. And then I was finance director in SAP Malaysia and Thailand after that. 10 years later, I'm back in KL, Malaysia as a judge at the CFA Institute Research Challenge for the Asian Finals. So fantastic global passport and prestigious network. I then worked as a professor in the UAE, Qatar, did training in Kuwait. I attended CFA Society dinners during Ramadan in both UAE and Kuwait, so it's fantastic. And when I got into the training, I did a level 1 boot camp in Paris in November 2017, and I had a coffee afterwards, a young lady from Venezuela. So that's the real definition of a global passport and a prestigious network. I mean, everywhere you go, it's easy to make friends within the CFA community. There's no faking the 1,000 hours. You all did the same thing. The next 3 I'll go through a little bit quicker: unmatched expertise, strong ethical foundation, and career resources. So number 1, unmatched expertise. You can see I put a green arrow and a red X. I still think most people learn most things on the job. So great education, but in terms of your expertise, that comes from your job training. Number 2, strong ethical foundation. I'm a CFA Institute approved ethics instructor. I've helped mentor 2 college teams in ethics competitions. Ethics can be fun. However, I put a red X there because fantastic ethics education doesn't necessarily mean you're an ethical person or do ethical things. And that's why you have got the discipline committee. And finally, here are my thoughts on career resources. Finishing the CFA and getting those 3 letters behind your name is not some Willy Wonka magic golden ticket to the investment banking factory. You still have to shake the trees and rake the leaves, start at a level, work your way up. In terms of career resources, I just put a red X there as buyer beware. The green is, yes, the CFA opens a lot of doors by having that designation all around the world, and it opens up a wide range of possible job roles as well. So I hope that helped you learn a little bit more about the 6 benefits of the CFA program. Thank you and have a nice day.